Ia o le atau po whakaru te sua. Mga kufoi palia le katisia nisa uma le whioama. Ia le waka pena e koko mo mai. Ia o mga kule kaini mai whame moe ni asu. Ia ai whakakai te tari sunga toina nisa o whaina noenga. E numa le whioama. Ia o moa so mako o moa. Ia se ka mo whai e koe. Ia mako o whaama. Ia mori. Uso ia porco fia mai. Saka pena mai a se forma o pese. Ia bia o kamoa. Ia na tau koni si vanu o lama pese mua. Ia mori si na fia. Ia mahera ma o pese moa. Ia mori maua ia taka. Ngi kanga lo mari ia nasa chief fighter. Ia mawhaimu le pese mui. Ia mako kia wano whaimu mo le mako wano whaanga mo i pō. Ia mo i pō whingi. Nina aso. Ia e maki e isa moanga mwhikarai marini aso. E mo i lama. Ia nganga whai nganga kanga kuena. Mai mau kua. E mea o mai kua mai mau ea pena kaua. Ia e mga kua i fo i kuku whai e o whai ko whare kua i aso whapili. E mai e au i a makami. O whai mai e angi a si foko e angi ngā sae. Na mui e whai ko umare masima. Wai mō. Ai koe maaia. Na mui e whai se aina o kala mupe maua. Ai karo whai e si e sa pele to pa mai. Ia le rupe a sa whai lele sa puima. Ia le awa lele le koe whai mai. E le kauna a ia le pae o Sofia. E le kausura ina fore konga le le. Mai le aku ina fore kia e le makia. Ia le maku maua e whako maku le keikai. E ske mio le mai ata mwhea tu maku pese tare ana whakoana. Uaealesi Malaga. E hui lava ua masiki na te whare a kōru ai ia tu mawea e tātou whātua i a tua. Awa o ia o tasi nā te rea i ia e tua. Talofa. My name is Joseph Faita. I currently serve as the Chief of the Emergency Medical Services. Uaealesi actually was one of my students, and Assistant Chief John Mangel assisted in that class. The class number was 011. This was the 11th EMC Academy done here in American Samoa. Like many of us here, 2011 was the first time Uaealesi appeared over at EMS, and she was a volunteer with us until 2012. 2012 was when she graduated from EMT class 011. On July 19, 2013, Uaealesi sat and passed the National Registry of Emergency Medical Technicians. National Registry is the gold standard for our profession. And Uaealesi was one of the few people that was able to pass the National Registry for the EMT class. On August 17, she graduated from the first ever Advanced Emergency Medical Technician class. This is the next step up above the EMT level, and it is the advanced level. This is the very first class that was done here in American Samoa, and Uaealesi was, I believe, one of 5 EMTs that took the class and passed the class. 9 days later, Uaealesi sat the National Registry for the advanced EMT class. She is the only female nationally registered advanced emergency medical technician in American Samoa. And we are really going to miss Uaealesi because she is such intelligent person, and the way that she conducted herself with the patients, the interaction with the patients. I was remiss on whether or not I should read something. Before Uaealesi left off island, we had the impression that Uaealesi was going off for something very minor. And because Uaealesi had deleted her Facebook page, that was the only way that we were able to contact Uaealesi through Facebook. And so when Uaealesi left, we didn't hear from Uaealesi for a while. And one day I got a message from Uaealesi. And so from that day on, we kept in touch that way with Uaealesi. But I wanted to read to you all one of the last messages that Uaealesi wrote to me. And the reason I want to read this to you is because it tells you how much Uaealesi loved her family and how much Uaealesi loved her EMS family. On August 27, 2025, Uaealesi wrote, "Hi Chief, just wanted to update you on my condition and how my own appointments are going. You might be wondering how I've been. It's been so long since I left work. Please, this is between us, Chief. I have adenocarcinoma. The abscess that they said was not an abscess. It's actually cancer. Sad emoji. And so I'm going through chemo, 6, actually every 2 weeks, hoping it will shrink and they will go through surgery to remove it.
As of now, it's too risky because it's covering the inferior vena cava. Done with my first chemo, so not the business. But I'm still strong and have lots of faith that I will get through this and come home. I miss home. Tear emoji. My FMLA is effective now, hoping that will hold and protect my job, even though I'm not getting any more checks. Laugh emoji. But yeah, Chief, there you go. But all is good. Uaealesi Malaga, mangofo kukalo ila kama. Uaealesi Malaga le tatai maaina. I'm memorial to aualofa. He said, Tato, aufaigaluega the EMS. Oh, how I miss working. Cry emoji. But I'll be there soon for Tai Chief. Uaealesi Malaga, my lady, God bless. We will definitely miss Wyatt. Her dedication, her cheerfulness, her sense of duty, and her pride in her chosen career field. Wyatt's faith in God was her anchor. Her love and dedication to her family were fierce. Her devotion to her parents was unquestionable. Her love for her EMS family is evident by the presence of her co-workers here today. It was an honor to know her as a person and even more to work alongside her as a co-worker. Uaealesi Malaga. Wow.
tau sanina, o na mātou o noa, e manuia tō e ma pia asa,